Hello everyone, this is Dhanashri from Team Doodlytics. Today I will show you how to connect LinkedIn page analytics with free Looker Studio connectors created by Team Doodlytics. Let's go. First of all, create a new report at Looker Studio. Once you clicked on it, it will ask you to connect with a data source. Now, data source is basically a platform from where you want to create a report and data visualization. At search bar, type Doodlytics. Now you will see all the connectors created by us. Click on a LinkedIn page analytics. Now when a new user interacts with Looker Studio, it will ask for authorization. In authorization, you have to connect your property with Looker Studio. Once the property is connected, it will show all the connected pages here. Select the correct one and add it. Once the property is added, Looker Studio will give you a blank report where you can play with the multiple dimensions and create a beautiful insights or create a beautiful data visualization to present your data. For a demo, you can see this report, how beautifully it has been presented here. For more such video, follow Doodlytics. Thank you.